Hi folks, and welcome back to Old School Customs. Today I'm going to start removing this gargantuan furnace. It's a gravity furnace. I already had all the ductwork removed because it had asbestos. So I'm going to start disassembling this. This is where I put that hot water tank in a couple months ago. The old one's still in here. I gotta get it out of here. So without further ado, let's get started now. Alright folks, so the furnace is out, relatively swept up and cleaned. So what I need to do is, in this house all the ductwork was removed by a asbestos abatement company, and I have to run a duct over here right there to the kitchen. And I have to bring one up here to the bedroom, and I believe this is the second floor. And there's one right here for the other bedroom, or the bathroom, and here's one for the other bedroom. And where this big monster trunk was, I'm gonna cut this lip off here and cap this with metal and bring a regular cold air return down with a filter going in. I also need to shut the gas main off over here, and I want to change this to a modern shut-off valve and then reduce it down to a 1/2 inch to go into the furnace. This should be okay for me to adapt to and go and leave. We might have to upgrade the thermostat wire. It seems like it's pretty old. It's got that fabric on it. So for today, I'm absolutely exhausted. I'm sweating like a warthog. Tomorrow's another day. I got the furnace here. I got 2 different plenums to choose from because we weren't sure of the height, because the ceiling's not 8 feet. This is only like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.5 inch or 10.5 course basement. We got some duct work here that was from some other job that was brought over here. So for today, this is part 1 of the furnace, the Vandalia furnace. Thank you for watching Old School Customs. Stay tuned tomorrow for the next episode of starting the install. Please hit subscribe, share the video, watch another video, hit the like button, choo choo.